Have you ever thought about leaving home forever? Tom did, and it became the worst decision he had ever made. What happened next? Let's discover it together.
I won again! This game is incredible!
Tom spent every day playing video games. He forgot all about his homework.
Hello? Hi, teacher. What? He received an F in math. Thank you for letting me know. Goodbye. Tom's teacher just phoned. Our son got an F. He wasn't honest with us.
Tom, shut down the computer right now. We need to have a conversation.
What happened, Mom and Dad?
Look at this exam. An F. All you do is play games.
We work very hard to support you. We feel hurt and disappointed.
You don't get it. The exam was impossible. You don't care about me. I hate living here.
Tom, come back right now. Don't talk to us that way.
Tom got upset and made a terrible decision to leave home.
They only think about school grades, and they are always criticizing me.
My mind spins faster and faster.
I have some pocket money. I can take care of myself. I don't need them anymore.
Tom, where are you going with that large backpack? Dad, Mom, wake up! Tom is gone.
Oh no! Where did he go?
Hurry, Emma.
I am going to the city.
It is very late. Where could he be?
Tom can't be far from here. All right. Tom, where are you?
This is simple. I don't need my parents anymore.
The train to the city is about to leave. Tom! Tom is over there on the platform.
Tom! There he is. He is standing near the train.
Tom, don't board that train.
Oh no, they found me. I need to leave now.
Tom, please get off, son.
Please come back home with us.
Tom, stay. Please don't go away.
They only care about my grades. I will be okay. I forgot to get food. I will rest for a while. I will buy something after I arrive. Wait, where's my backpack? Oh no! My money and clothes were inside. I am exhausted. My feet ache. I am starving. He lives on the street. Does he not have a family?
Hey, are you all right? You seem lost.
I lost my backpack on the train. I have no money and nothing to eat. I ran away from home.
Don't cry. Here, take some. This bread is a little stale. I found it in the trash, but it is still okay. It will help you feel better.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What is your name?
My name is Ben. I don't have a family. The streets are my home. You should never leave your family behind. Family means everything. Oh no, it is raining. Hurry! Let's find a place to hide. Quick, get inside!
I am freezing. I miss my comfortable bed.
Hey Tom, wake up! It is morning!
Mom, let me sleep 5 more minutes.
We need to get up early and collect cans to sell.
My hands are so dirty. I have never done anything like this before.
In the calm of twilight.
Look, Tom, we earned enough money for a large pizza. Awesome! I am so hungry.
Hey kids, hand over the money. Now!
No, this money belongs to us. We worked hard all morning for it.
Give it to me, or I will hurt you.
Stop. Take the money. Please don't harm my friend. Our money is gone. I am sorry, Tom.
It is okay, Ben. You are safe. But I feel very dizzy. Where am I? Is this real?
Tom? Oh, Tom, you are finally awake. Thank God.
We found you in the hospital.
Mom? Dad? I am sorry. I made a mistake. I was foolish to leave home. Please forgive me.
We forgive you. Good grades matter, but you matter even more.
We love you very much. Never leave your family again.
Wait, where is Ben? He helped me.
Don't worry, Tom. Ben is here. He stayed beside you the entire time. He told us the whole story.
Ben! You look wonderful. Thank you for saving my life.
Our family wants to help Ben. You can live with us. We will help you find a good school.
Really?
Thank you very much.
Tom learned an important lesson. Working hard in school is very important, but family, love, and the people who care about you are even more important.
Now, a question for those who watched the video carefully. What grade and in which subject did I receive at the beginning of the video? I look forward to your answers in the comments. See you in the next videos. Bye.